Hello everyone! I am here today for the World Travel Expo 9 here in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So it's gonna be today, Friday until Sunday, which is November 16th. I want to invite you all to come visit our booth, Organic Nature. Let's go. Check it out. Here's Organic Nature booth. As you can see, we have our perfume for testing, and then we also have the lipsticks that you can try, and then we have the powder foundation, and then we have the soaps, and we have our shampoo and conditioner that's very safe for everyone, plus the skincare kit. So for this event, we're gonna be giving away a White Bloom package, either the face cream, body lotion, or the face wash, if you purchase a minimum of 300 pesos. But if you purchase 1,000, you get the whole set. So that's only for the first 200 customers every day. And then also, we'll be giving a wholesale price if you buy 10 pieces of any Organic Nature products. So yan. And then other than that, maliban sa wholesale, meron din kaming mga naka-promo per item. For instance, instead of buying it at an SRP price, we give big discounts. Plus, may mga freebies na mags. May mga freebies pa kaming sponge. And then, may mga bottles kami for the beauty powder drink, the collagen drinks that we have. Tapos may mga nakabundle pa kami na beauty from the inside out. Tapos may mga collection kami na malaki na talaga ang promo na binibigay namin, no? At saka yung coffee. Malaki ang mga promo kapag 4 na bibilin mong collection. So, paano mo malalaman kung okay ba itong mga products na to? Siyempre, may pa-free taste kami. Ito ang aming free tasting area. So, you can try all the kinds of coffee that we have and all the collagen drinks that we have. Yan. Tapos meron kaming barley and wheatgrass drink. Combined na to, 2-in-1. May stevia kaming version. At meron din kaming pure na walang stevia. So, depende sa preference nyo. So, for the 3 days, I hope you can come visit us and try out our products. Bye! See you!